अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Ready, the launch of a poverty alleviation program under the banner of compassion has caused a flutter in millions of hearts in the country because poverty deprives a very large segment of the population of Pakistan the joys of living full stop. Incidentally, comma, the people's deliverance from poverty has always been accepted as one of their basic rights, comma, a right that cannot be defined in terms of a voluntary gesture, comma, even if that gesture enjoys as high a value as compassion does, full stop. The discourse on poverty eradication, comma, and not merely poverty alleviation, comma, must be conducted in the idiom of rights, full stop. The government intends to shift the pledges made in article from the principles of policy to the fundamental rights chapter, full stop, that should enable the citizens to secure through courts for basic necessities of life, comma, food, clothing, housing, and medical relief, full stop. Education is also mentioned in this clause, but the right to education has already been recognized under the 18th Amendment, full stop. There is no bar to the transfer of a single clause of article to the fundamental rights chapter, but it is necessary to understand the priorities fixed in the relevant article, full stop. It calls for preventing the concentration of wealth and means of production and distribution in the hands of a few, and for ensuring equitable adjustment of rights between employers and employees and landlords and tenants, full stop. Under the second clause, the state is obliged to provide for all citizens, comma, within the available resources of the country, comma, facilities for work and adequate livelihood with reasonable rest and leisure, full stop. The mere transfer of a provision from the principle of policy to fundamental rights is no guarantee to of that right becoming available in practice, full stop. The government plans to complete by December a survey to identify the poor and poverty stricken areas, full stop. A proper comment on this proposal must wait till its details become clearer, full stop.